Hello guys, welcome in another episode of Shopify free theme customization. So first of all, we will see what is the context of this video. I hope you are able to see my demo store product page 420 backside printed t-shirt. Here you are able to see size chart. If you have any clothing Shopify store and maybe included in print on demand business, then size chart is an important aspect of your product details. So this is the context of this video, how we can add this size chart in your product page using AI. And the best part of this video is we are not using any third-party applications for doing that. So if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so pause this video first and go to my channel and subscribe it and comment it if you have any questions or queries regarding the Shopify. I will definitely help you. So let's start this video. First, I will log in into Shopify admin dashboard. As you can see, I was on my Shopify admin dashboard. Here you click on online store. So for this tutorial, the theme which I use, that is Dawn theme. So I already installed a fresh theme for this tutorial. And here the first step is you have to click on pages. And before starting, please make sure that you take a proper backup of your current theme. So here we click on add pages, and here in title we just give size chart. And in descriptions there is an option generate text. You have to click on that, and here I will add a prompt in my blog post. As you can see how to add size chart in Shopify product page, I already add this blog on my blogger website, so you can get the prompt from this blog post. So you just copy that prompt from my blog post and paste it here and click on generate. So it will create a your size chart table without doing anything. So your size table is created with using that prompt. You just click on keep and your table is added in your description box. So just remove the content above here and click on save. So this is the first step where we create a size chart page and we use that page in adding the size chart. So now you have to click on themes, and here just click on customize, and in default we choose the in home page we select the product page, and we create a template for adding the size chart. So here I just create a template, and here I'll t-shirt create template. Now again I go to the product page and assign that template to a clothing product. So I just click on exit, click on products. So these are my demo products. Here you can see 420 backside printed t-shirt. So I will open that product and assign the t-shirt template here. So in default template, I use the t-shirt and save the configuration. Again, go to the online store, themes, and here we click on customize. Here we select the product and choose the t-shirt template. So my t-shirt product page is opened. So here we just click on add a block, and here we select the collapsible row. I just move it a little bit upward so that it can looking more appropriate. Yeah, just click on collapsible row, and here we add a heading size chart. In icon we select the ruler, and in select page we select the size chart page which we created earlier. So when I click on size chart, it will expand the size chart, which is looking more compelling and promoting. So save it. Now just click on preview, and here you are able to see side chart option. When I expand it, your side chart is expanded. The best part of this size chart that it is fully customizable. If you want to customize it, you can. Let me show you. So again, I go to my Shopify admin dashboard, go back into the pages section where we created the size chart. Open the size chart page, and this table is fully customizable. For example, if I mention here 50 and save it, when I reload my product page, you can see in the size chart chest width is come to 50 in small. So this is the way where you can add the size chart in your product page without using any third-party application and simply using the AI. And I hope you like this video. And if you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel till now, so go to my YouTube channel and subscribe it first. And meet you again in the next episode of Shopify Free Theme Customization. Bye bye.